Analyzing data in spreadsheet. In this lesson, in first video we have discussed consolidating data, and today we are going to discuss about the what if scenarios and goal seek. So listen attentively, students. You see in this picture, so there is some tables where is if scenario. We make the table here and we type some data also here. Their principal amount, rate of interest and time period. Simple interest principal we take here 20,000, interest 4 and time period is simple interest, that is the formula. We write here formula. After that we going to create scenario. Firstly select this, after that you go in tool and click from there scenario. So this type of dialog box appear. In this, firstly you write the name of the scenario, which name you want to give, then you write their scenario name. Okay, so I write here some name. Now next is there is a comment section. If you want to something add on, then is and click OK. Then you see in this picture that is a drop down arrow also an insert. If you want to change this value, then you see here 800 simple interest. So if you want to other scenario, then again you go in a scenario and then write the name of the scenario and write the comment of this table and OK. Now you see there is other scenario also collected. Now if you want to change principal value, then you go in scenario, then this take the name of the scenario, write the something related to the comments. If you want to give the any type of color, you can change the border color also in your scenario and give the some type of data of scenario. After that click on OK. Click OK, then this type of color available on your sheet. So that is a drop down arrow. When you click, there is a all scenario are here. If you want to check, then you can check individually. So first हमें 10,000 पे लगाया था, फिर 50,100 पे लगाया था और लास्ट हमारा कलर बॉर्डर के लिए था. That is our scenario. So only scenario where we use where you want to your data. Yeah, if you want to ask your principal amount, then you use the scenario and you can compare your interest detail of that things. Okay, so that is our scenario. If we interest rate also, and now we are going to discuss if tool multiple operation. If you want to multiple operation, then that is your other same example we take there. That is a principal amount, rate of interest, time periods, simple interest, same formula is there. Okay, so if you want to if analysis multiple row and column, so we write here some values 1200, 1400, 1600. Then we go in column input cell and same that type of interest you can calculate. Same we write here column type of value, and if you want to ask the interest and which type of we go in there. There is a also same field available. There is a formula cell. Firstly you enter the address of formula cell, which value you want to change. Then column cell or row cell, we are going to select the column cell, then click on OK. And this you can see where we enter the value, there is all value enter. Automatically we have the rate of interest available according to this value. If you want to change in row, then same type values we type in row, and after that we going to select, and again you go in tool and take the multiple scenario. After that, select the formula option because we enter their formula. After that, next, when we click OK, then your value is enter here. Okay, so if you want to calculate in the many value, because in if scenario there is a some value we use, but in multiple operation, if you want to multiple operation related to column and row, you can use the multiple scenarios. Okay, so that is only some tables. Now next is goal seek. Goal seek, again we take the some simple example: principal amount, rate of interest, time period, and simple interest 40. Where we go set the goal seek we set the where we want to targeted value, which value you want, then you set that value and you use the goal seek method. In this method, same as there is simple interest formula, and principal value is 1000, rate of interest is 4. So there is, you can calculate your simple interest and principal amount. Okay, you can change in your requirement, which requirement you have, then you can change. Firstly, you enter same the formula. After that, you go in goal seek. So now you can see there in goal seek, when we click on goal seek, these columns are available. You see, firstly click on goal seek, that is column available. So this format you can see on your worksheet: formula cell, targeted value, and variable cell. So formula cell is our B5, then we click on that column, that address will become targeted value, which value you want to change, then you write here. And after that, variable cell, then you set the variable cell where you want to enter your value, where you want to your result, then you put there. So after that, okay, then you ask, means goal seek is successfully. You can see there is that type of interest value you need, that type of principal value. So you can see, if you want to 500 simple interest, then you can, according to principal amount, using the goal seek that is provided. Okay, so which type of simple interest you want, then that type of principal value you can calculate easily. Okay, so if you want to some other change, if you want to change the same principal amount, then again we write here and then go there. That is our formula cells. You need 500 of targeted value. Now click on rate of interest, मीन्स किस रेट में आप इसमें क्या है, गोल सीक में आप कोई भी चीज़ आप कैलकुलेट कर सकते हो. जैसे आपको प्रिंसिपल अमाउंट 1000 चाहिए और उसमें आपको रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट ओनली 50 ही, रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट कोई भी हो तो उसके लिए आप कैलकुलेट कर सकते हो. इसमें जो भी आप इसमें गोल सीक में कोई भी टारगेटेड सेल को सेट कर सकते हो. प्रिंसिपल अमाउंट आप निकाल सकते हो, रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट निकाल सकते हो, टाइम पीरियड निकाल सकते हो, और सिंपल इंटरेस्ट, मतलब विच वैल्यू यू वांट टू इंसर्ट या यू वांट टू calculated, then you can set the cell according to your choice, and after that you click go in goal seek, and then you set your formula on your formula cell, set the target value, and variable cell give the result to you. So everything, every cell you can calculate it using goal seek. Okay, so in this next is our solver also same types. Principal amount is 0, rate of interest, time period 1, and simple interest also 0. There is a formula automatically inserted. So when we click on solver, that target cell will become and value may be value or a cell हो भी सकती है और नहीं भी हो, बाई चेंजिंग द सेल, और किस वैल्यू से आपको चेंज करनी है. इन एग्जाम्पल वी विल यूज़ द प्रिंसिपल अमाउंट, will we use principal amount. Okay, now we go in solver, go in tools, then select the solver. So solver dialog box will become. In GoalSeek there is just some option, limited option available. In solver we have the many option where we can set the maximum minimum value also we can select, and by changing value also we can give, and there is a some condition also. If you want to give the some condition, then you apply on your GoalSeek which value you want to change, then you write here. आफ्टर दैट इफ़ यू वांट टू एनी कंडीशन, बिकॉज आपके पास कई बार कंडीशन होती है ना कि आपको इतनी वैल्यू चाहिए, पर जो आपका प्रिंसिपल अमाउंट है उसमें आपकी कोई चेंजिंग नहीं होनी चाहिए. उस केस में हम क्या करते हैं, सोल्वर को यूज़ करते हैं, बिकॉज देयर इज अ सो मैनी कंडीशंस ऑल्सो देयर, एंड यू अप्लाई ऑन योर डॉक्यूमेंट, देन सोल्वर कैलकुलेटेड योर according to your condition, term and condition. Okay, so that is, you can see the difference. That is GoalSeek only the 3 cell available, but in solver there is a many option available, maximum, minimize, and there we can give the condition in our file. Okay, so now click OK.